Hello! Now we will solve the following exercise using the Python language. Write a Python program that receives two integer numbers from the user and print the absolute value of the first number minus the second number. As always, the code and the exercise list is in the description of the video, and if you like, please subscribe. Oh, let's plan what we implement here first. We have to receive the numbers from the user. Receive the numbers. We'll have to compute the absolute value of the difference. Compute the absolute value of the difference. And show the result. Okay. Receive the numbers from the user. Pretty simple. It's the input of integers because it specifically asks for integer numbers. So the first number will be an integer, which will be an input from the user, and we ask the user, please insert the first number. Likewise for the second number, because it's also an integer that has to be input from the user. So the second number is the input of an integer, and we ask, please insert the second number. To compute the absolute value is pretty simple in Python. We have a function called abs, absolute. So our result will be the absolute value of the first number minus the second number, and that is it. Now note that this absolute is of the absolute value of a number, not of the operation itself. What I'm saying here is, for example, you can do the absolute value of minus 14, for example, because this will be the result of the operation. It's a number. It's the absolute value of a number, not of operations. And okay, and we simply show the results as instructed in the example they gave. For example, the input of 4 and 12, that the result should be, the output should be, the absolute value of 4 minus 12 is 8. So okay, we print the results that we are asked for. The absolute value of first number, which is an integer, so use a control sequence here, minus the second number is our result. So okay, in the first control sequence we'll put the first number, then second number, our result, and this should be it basically. So let's go with the example that the exercise gave us. The first number is 4, inside the first number, inside the second number is 12. 4 minus 12 is minus 8. But since we are using the absolute value, it should be 8, the result. The absolute value of 4 minus 12 is 8. Perfect. Let's try again with another number. 1 and 61. 1 minus 61 is minus 60. So the absolute value should be 60. 60. Perfect. And that's it. Pretty simple. Thank you.